Hey guys, and oh my god, and what's up? I would say what's up when you don't even respond to me, but the camera's almost broken. Never mind. But I'm just gonna edit my new video that I'm doing. I did a Grand Theft Auto video, and now I'm gonna edit it. It's gonna be up when you're watching, most likely. I hurt. I was spinning around and I fell, and this fell on my foot. Oh, that hurt. I'm gonna FaceTime with Marcus. But of course, you know, he's not there. And yeah, so I'm editing my video, talking to Marcus, and just smashed my foot. So, Minecraft is acting stupid on us. We're about to cry right now. Look at my eyes. Tear, tear. Oh my god. Oh, now I have to turn it off. I didn't save anything. That's why I should learn to save. Like every 10 minutes? 5 minutes, every time I do something. But I'm turning it back on. I don't know, it's acting really stupid on me. I have to always turn off my PS3, and this is Marcus biting his toenails. Yeah, that's what happens when you play Minecraft. Don't buy Minecraft. Just kidding, buy it. Ow! Okay, sorry guys for yesterday's vlog. I just looked at my thing right now, my YouTube file, and I just remembered, oh wait, I still have my short vlog and I forgot to upload it. So now I need to upload it fast. It is 7:30 and now I need to switch to my account. It's just too stressing for me. Now I'm going to upload. I'm gonna upload it now. Oh my god, this is crazy. See? Shortest vlog ever. You guys already saw it if you watch my vlogs. Oh my god. I just freaking forgot. Forgot. Well, this one will be extra long, baby. Extra long! Yeah. Okay guys, so guess what I got? So it's Canada Day. What do you do on Canada Day? Celebrate, what do you put out? And it goes pew pew. I don't know, but all I know is that there's stuff that I bought and oh, what the hell, what's that thing? Fireworks, baby! Pew pew pew. I'm gonna vlog this when I do it. Only $39, what? For all of this? Yeah. I'm gonna do this bad boy. I'm gonna do 2 of these, a couple of these, and do another one of these, and then save all this for another day. So yeah, that's what it's all about. You guys see it in the background? Yeah, you probably did. Waiting for stuff to delete so I can make my thumbnail for my new video. Forgot I'm a ding dong. Because I can't save it because I have no gigabytes left. Yeah! I'm happy. Oh. Fuck. I'm good, guys. I'm good. Okay, we gonna do some fireworks. Can you guys help? Grab it on the side, okay? Oh my god, you guys are so nice, thank you. We're gonna do some fireworks. You probably can't see nothing. It's gonna be really dark.
His face?
No?
Oh, I seen your face. You like this.
I got it on film too, but I'm taking it out.
Why? Why?
I'm just kidding. I put it in. I was gonna turn on my phone to get the flashlight. That's so scary. Not nice. There's number 1 down. Get out of my phone!
Those are better.
Here.
Look, you can watch it for free.
There's ones over there. I don't know if you can see it. But I can't even see where I'm going. There's so much mosquitoes. It's not even funny. What should I do next? Let's do this one. The big one. The big boy. That one. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay. Okay, the wick is right here. Okay.
Here. I need light.
You got tons of light. Move! Whoa. That's it? Oh, I guess that's it. Let's do one more big one. Shh. Okay, so we got this guy. You can't see it. Okay. Nah, you feel it too, right? Okay. Oh. That was so bright. Better than this camera shining in my face. Ow! I have like 20 mosquito bites on my back. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, so that's it for the fireworks. I'm gonna do some of these. So much.
Come on.
Oh, my back hurts like hell. What does this one do? That's it, really. Papa!
Yeah. Just hold it and throw it. Go.
Wow, so nice. That did a lot. Yep. Oh my god. Mosquitoes are biting me so much. Ow, it hurts like hell. Oh, okay. I have to end the video right here. I don't know if it's long or short. Pretty sure it's long. Oh my god, so I have to finish those. Oh my god, it's so... Oh my god, okay, I have to end it right here. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm getting bitten out here. And peace, guys.